Month one is all about building that foundation. So what does that actually look like? In your first week, we focus on niche research. Yes, 1 week, not 3, not 4, not 5 months. Your niche research should be done in 1 week. That's all it takes. This is the most important step, period. If you screw this up, reviews, marketing, ads, covers, title, nothing else matters. If you are publishing books that nobody wants to buy, nobody is going to buy your book. I have seen this time and time again. You cannot skip this step if you want to make money in this business. The criteria is simple. Go to Amazon, look for a topic that has 3 books, making at least $500 in sales, have less than 150 reviews, and are on the first page on Amazon. I've done lots of videos on those. You can go check those out, but that's the criteria that we're looking for, right? Those of you inside the Publishing Academy, you can go check out the 100 profitable topics list in the bonus section, kind of get the juices going there, but I cannot stress this point enough. And one of the things that I always tell my students to do, before you move forward with your topic, you can shoot me a message and say, hey, Mecca, what do you think of this topic? And I will tell you yay or nay on if you should go forward with that particular topic, because I've seen too many students. I was just looking, literally today, I was looking at a student's books. They've published 12 books, and all 12 of them are on topics nobody wants. And they're wondering why they're not making any money. It's because you're publishing books that nobody cares about. Nobody wants those books. So why would you make any money? We're in the business of supply and demand. There has to be demand for the books that you're going to publish, that you're supplying, in order for the profits to come in. So this has to be step one. If you are taking this step lightly, don't, because nothing else you do matters. And guess what? This is not the most fun step in the very beginning. This is the step that requires work, and it requires looking at Amazon. It requires, how do you do topic research, right? It's a new skill that a lot of you have to develop in the very, very beginning. But guess what? This is something that you can literally get done in 7 days. You can get this done in a week, and you really should. It shouldn't take you more than a few hours to figure out what a profitable topic is. I mean, if you're like a Mecca, I've been searching and searching and searching, and I can't figure this out, well, then you need to ask for more help inside whatever group you're in on Facebook, on SKOOL, or whatever the case is. If you're doing this out on your own, and you're hoping you're gonna figure this out on your own, and you can't, and you're not asking for help, what are you doing? Do you want to just stay broke? Do you want to just not make this business work? There are so many ways and resources to help you in this day and age that there's no excuse not to raise your hand, say, help me. How do I do this? And guys, to show you how simple this is, I had my 10-year-old find a topic in 10 minutes. I did a video on that a little while ago. We'll put it somewhere on here so you can go check that out after as well. But she's 10, so you can definitely do this if you're older than 10.